Sugar and digestion, the journey begins.
When you eat sugar, digestion starts almost immediately. Enzymes in your saliva begin breaking down simple sugars as you chew. Once sugar reaches your stomach and small intestine, it's quickly absorbed into your bloodstream. This rapid absorption is why you often feel a burst of energy soon after eating something sweet.
Blood sugar spikes, the energy rush.
After sugar is absorbed, your blood glucose levels rise. This spike prompts your pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that helps your cells absorb sugar for energy. You may feel alert or energetic during this time, which is commonly called a sugar rush.
The crash, energy drops and fatigue.
Once insulin does its job, blood sugar levels can fall quickly. This sudden drop, sometimes called a sugar crash, can leave you feeling tired or irritable. Your body's effort to balance sugar levels creates this roller coaster effect.
Sugar and your brain. Cravings explained.
Sugar activates reward centers in your brain, releasing dopamine. This makes sugar pleasurable and can increase cravings. For some people, regular high sugar intake may lead to repeated cravings and a habit of eating more sweets.
Long-term effects beyond the immediate.
While small amounts of sugar provide quick energy, frequent consumption can stress your metabolism. Over time, high sugar intake is linked to an increased risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Being mindful of sugar can help support overall health.